my rescue cat. Or probably he rescued me. Because he is now teaching me about everything feline. One of the things that I'm learning is that cats are very quick, faster than dogs. And usually, first, they don't like to have anything on them. Okay, look, he just wants to go out and walk. What I've learned about the walking way with Martini also is that if he wants to wander away and I don't want him to go too far, I can grab him right real quick. The other thing, again, you know, cats are very frisky, especially a cat that has been on the street so long, who knows? And so this doesn't seem to bother him. It doesn't have any weight, and he can wear it in the house, wherever he's walking, anywhere, which is give me a lot of peace of mind.
Walkie-Way is not available in any store. Don't wait, order now.